In this video, I'm going to show you how I made cheap and easy holders for my batch painting for Dungeons & Dragons or Warhammer minis. While eating some chocolates and painting epic scale minis the other day, I was struck by a thought. The shape of the plastic tray inside would make a great mini painting holder. So eagerly, I grabbed the tray and a couple of tongue depressor sized popsicle sticks, and away I went. But first, welcome to the Real Killer DM channel, a channel dedicated to the pursuit of fun through tabletop gaming. First things first, I grabbed an X-Acto knife and I cut off the side pieces that I needed for this project. The pieces that I chose were the round shaped ones with the dimpled bottoms. They would be absolutely perfect for sticking minis on. For the next step, I grabbed my tongue depressors and I glued the pieces on using a low heat hot glue gun. I was afraid too much heat would melt the plastic. Lastly, I added some poster tack that I bought at the dollar store. I stretched it out to soften it up first, and then I just popped a small ball on top of each dimple. And that's it. Just like that, the project is done. I mean, easy peasy, and it's ready for minis. If you've enjoyed my video, I would really appreciate your help in growing my channel by smashing that like button. And as always, I would love to have you as a new subscriber. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.